Assalamualaikum people, this would be my 6th algorithm video, and in this video we would be given a sorted list, and this algorithm would find the number of elements that are less than or equal to a given element x. So this is the sorted list that we were given: 1 2 4 5 8 and 10. Okay, this is the x element. We make a count variable and we initialize it by giving a value of 0, right? This would keep a store of all the elements that are less than or equal to x. Then we make a for loop for I in sort list. Then we make an if statement if I is less than or equal to x, and if this if condition is true, we increment the count variable by 1. Then we come out of the for loop, we make a print statement, print count variable. I click play. Now as you can see, the answer given by Python is 5. How? As you can look at line number 9, element 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8 are less than or equal to 9. So a total of 5 elements, right? So if I change the question 1 2 2 2 5 7 9, and I can also change the x element to 2. Now if I click play, now you can see that the answer given by Python is 4. How? Elements 1 2 2 2 are less than or equal to 2, but 5 7 9 are greater than the x element, which in this case is 2. This is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.